In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Setting up screen lock is one of the first things I do while setting up new device to protect all of my stuff I keep on my new phone. If you want to set up screen lock on this OPPO, here's how to do it. Go into Settings, scroll, and select Security and Privacy section. Now scroll again and this time tap on Device Unlock. Select Screen Lock and pick one of those password types: numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern. Tap on the best one and wait 5 seconds to choose Next in Important Notice pop-up. If you change your mind, don't go back, just click on Use a different password type and click on one of those options. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric, or pattern. When you're done, you can finally create your login method here and then repeat it to confirm it. Make sure you remember it. If you wish to add face fingerprint unlock right away, hit enable in this pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it now, select cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!